Hello, this is Billy Core from homeofcarolinacirclemall.com. It's a Monday morning, July 5th, 2010, 12:33 a.m. precisely. And have you noticed anything unusual about this video? Well, this video is not being recorded on my standard JVC camcorder from 2005. This is being recorded on an RCA ProEdit VHS camcorder from 1990. This camera's 20 years old, folks. And and if you've seen the last video featuring this camera, you may already know that there are some serious problems with it. Well, by some miracle right now, it is actually working. Now, it's intermittent, so there's no telling when it's going to screw up on me again, so I gotta make this video quick. Most of my YouTube subscribers who watched this original RCA video back in, I think, either late March or early April of this year, commented and said that it's most likely a capacitor problem, which I'm going to look into getting fixed, because this is a very good camcorder for a VHS camera. And again, this video camera is from 1990, so it's very strange and odd to see a timestamp date for July 5th, 2010, 7/5/10. So it's very strange to see that. So this video is not from this. So right now, the year is not 1990 or any other year in the 90s. Want proof? Here's a cell phone from 2010. Well, actually 2009 actually is an LG Voyager with texting capabilities and all the works. A digital still camera from 2008. No 35mm film in this thing. It's an SD card. Okay, what else? Oh, a DVD, still in its original packaging, sealed. And last but not least, a laptop computer from 2008, running Windows XP Professional Service Pack 3. A Dell Vostro 1500 laptop, that is. So, before this video camera screws up and conks out on me again, keep in mind the year is not anywhere in the 90s. This is full-fledged 2010. I know what I just said makes no sense at all, but hey, this is my YouTube channel. I'll do what I want. So this is Billy Core signing off on July 5th, 2010, 12:36 a.m. Good night, everybody.